do a video. My dudes. One on the right, two on the left. And the pin notches on number 2. Number 2 is the white wire. And number 1 is the orange wire. This is the original wiring for the friction wheel. Just looking at what it looks like from the new connector. So the friction wheel, let's have a look. So if we look inside here, let's have a look. I can rotate this thing. Let's have a look. Apologies. So the notch would be the white one. It's the outside edge, and the inside edge is the orange in the old one, and with the on this one. It's interesting, the notch here is on number 1. So number 1 has a notch, number 2 doesn't, which is interesting because on the other one it's the other way round. I think notch there, the notch corresponds to number 2, whereas here the notch corresponds to number 1. So that means the orange wire has the notch, maybe. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the new plug. New plug has a flat spot. So if I look, it's flat spot. The flat spot is a number 2. The flat spot is number 2. It's right, it's number 2. So if you put that like that, that will put number 1 in this flat spot.